This is the EPZ TP35 Pro. Overall, the build is very nice. This feels excellent, honestly. Metal shell just looks stellar. Buttons have a good click to them. I like that you can see the circuit. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I really like that. The cable, it feels supported, yet I like that it has this droop. It makes it feel like it's part of the IEM cable. Really like the cable on this. 3.5 and 4.4. The 3.5 does 112 milliwatts at 32 ohms, and the 4.4 does 262 milliwatts at 32 ohms. So this is going to be able to drive basically anything you would need to drive, definitely any IEM. Yeah, super solid build. I quite like this personally. This also has the added benefit of it has an app. Like, you can download an app. Have to be an Android user. Sorry, I wasn't able to download the app on my iPhone, but I do keep around an old Samsung just for this purpose. Yeah, download the app. It's super smooth, actually. Like, it runs really well. I was expecting a lot more glitches. So yeah, plug it in. You're able to just go in, you hit link, and then you have access to parametric EQ, which is a very powerful tool and is almost a must-have with any DAC amp that I use going forward, or any system I use. So the fact that this has access to that is excellent. Now, if you set up the EQ on your old Android phone, and you want to use it on an iPhone, it will remember your EQ settings, and then whatever you plug it into after that, it's baked in. So what I am personally going to be using this for is I will be keeping this product. It is going to be a product that I will be using going forward. I have baked the Moondrop Dusk EQ settings into this, the Bass Plus and the regular Dusk EQ setting. I'm going to use this exclusively with my Moondrop Dusk. It's going to live in this case, and every time I want to listen to the Dusk, I'm going to be grabbing this product. I like it because, yeah, the Moondrop Dusk, the DSP cable, it has issues. It has artifacts, and once you hear them, you can't unhear them. This doesn't have artifacts. I was actually very impressed overall. The sound is nice. The app was nice. I do wish I could use it on my iPhone, and I didn't have to download the app on an old Android phone and bake it. But I'm an iPhone user. I'm an Apple user. It is what it is. I accept the consequences of being an Apple user. And again, it's why I keep an Android phone around. It's why I have this thing. It's really to be able to do stuff like this. So overall, I would recommend this product. If you are an Android user, I think this is a excellent product. Or if you want to use it on PC, and again, you just bake the EQ settings in. So if you have a PC and you use an iPhone, you can bake the EQ settings in and then use that EQ with your iPhone. So yeah, I like it. It's going to be living with my Moondrop Dusk, and I think it's a good product. If you are an Android user, if you're an Apple user, it works fine. You just don't have access to that EQ feature without an Android or PC. So yeah, if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.